Hello everyone. Welcome to this video on integrating the report designer control with the React Boilerplate TypeScript application to create a report. To render the report designer control in the React Boilerplate TypeScript application, the service URL has to be set. This API is used to interact with the server-side report processing. Let me start by setting up a new React Boilerplate TypeScript app in Visual Studio Code. Then, I'll add the report designer control to it. Make sure that your development environment has Node.js version 8 or newer, and NPM version 3 or newer. Next, I download the React Boilerplate TypeScript application. On the documentation page, click this link to download the application. Once the application is downloaded, extract it and open the root folder in the command prompt. First, I run this command to install the project dependencies. Next, I install the Bold Reports React library and create React class, which installs all the dependency packages for rendering an RDL report in the React Boilerplate application. Next, open the root folder in Visual Studio Code. Add the script reference. Bold Reports needs jQuery, React, create React class, and React DOM objects to render React components. You need to import it and assign it to the window object. I create a new file and name it globals.ts in the app folder. Copy the code from the documentation and add it to the globals.ts file. Next, open the app.tsx file and reference the globals.ts file. Then, to add the script file reference to the application, I open the index.html file from the app folder, copy the scripts from the documentation, and add them to the head tag. Since Bold Reports uses per-type files, it provides the needed support to load such types of files in the webpack URL loader plugin. I open the webpack.base.babel.js file from the internal/webpack folder, add the cur reference to the test object, and change the image quality in the image webpack loader. Next, to add the report designer control, open the app.tsx file from the app folder, copy the necessary scripts from the documentation, and add them to the app.tsx file. Declare the variables for the Bold Report Designer component and designer style. The designer style variable is used to store the height and width of the report designer. Next, remove the provider tab from the connected app variable and add the div element, which acts as a container. The ID acts as a unique name for the container. The service URL is required to perform API actions. You can learn how to create the standalone web API service in the ASP.NET Core or ASP.NET platform in a video linked in the description. Finally, let me add the service URL. Now, everything is ready to create the report. Let me run the application. I open the command prompt and run this command. It will launch the application in the default browser. Here, I can add report items and save the report locally. In this video, I have shown you how to add the report designer component to a React Boilerplate TypeScript application to create a new report. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.